हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आई एम सत्यनारायण शाह। यू आर वाचिंग एसएनएस वर्ल्ड यूट्यूब चैनल। आप लोग कैसे हैं? तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। आज हम क्लास 10 का थर्ड चैप्टर फर्स्ट फेज ऑफ द इंडियन नेशनल मूवमेंट, फर्स्ट फेज ऑफ द इंडियन नेशनल मूवमेंट, फर्स्ट फेज ऑफ द इंडियन नेशनल मूवमेंट का बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। इसका पहला वीडियो हम अपलोड कर चुके हैं। फर्स्ट फेज कौन सा टाइम है? राइट इन कमेंट बॉक्स। 1885 to 1907. In this chapter, what are the topics we have to learn? Early nationalist, belief, demand, method, achievement, criticism, official attitude, towards early nationalist. After that, prominent early nationalist. Then early nationalist, I cover first political organization in all India level. 1885 INC, Indian National Congress. At that time, who were working are known as early nationalists. In early nationalist, I have told about the names: Dadabhai Naoroji, Umesh Chandra Banerjee, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, and their belief. Also, I told they believe in the sense of justice, fair play, and loyal. That one I covered. And their demand, I told that constitutional, administrative, these are the demands. That things covered. Today, method. What are their methods? Method, constitutional agitation method. Constitutional agitation method, they don't want argument and violent method. वो लोग argument और violent method apply करने नहीं चाहते थे। वो लोग constitutional पेन एंड पेपर के थ्रू से इंग्रेज का पास पहुंचाना चाहते थे, जो इंडियन लोग का डिमांड है। एंड दे वर लॉयल टू द ब्रिटिशर्स इन मेथड टू ऑब्जेक्टिव। फर्स्ट ऑब्जेक्टिव व्हिच इज बेस्ड ऑन एजुकेशन, their objective is first education. At first they wanted educate Indian people. They thought that if they educate Indian people, they can say their problems, they understand their problems, and they create mass revolution. That's why at first they want educate all the Indian people. How the Indian people? Through meeting and give speech. Through speech they inspire and collect public opinion, and they want to bring unity. And another one, second is influence. They try to influence the Britishers. How they influence the Britishers? Through 3P. 3P: prayer, petition, protest. They want to influence the British. If Britishers understand the problem of Indian people, they fulfill the demands of the Indians. They thought that these are the methods. They are loyal to the Britishers because they were inspired by Western thought. Then achievement. अर्ली नेशनलिस्ट को क्या अचीवमेंट मिला? फर्स्ट वन, नेशनल अवेकनिंग अमंग द पीपल। कॉन्शियसनेस पैदा किया गया इंडियन आदमी का अंदर। एंड डेमोक्रेसी, secularism, democracy, how the power within the people hands, that things they realize. Democracy, secularism. At that time, Indian people, different caste, that create a big factor. That's why they are not getting independence. At first, early nationalists want to correct them, to remove their narrow-mindedness. Democracy, secularism, political consciousness, they inspire other people. They create a platform to fight against Britishers. These are the achievements. After achievement, criticism. At first, Britishers in favor of early nationalists, but after that they started criticized and they did not listen all the demands. They not agreed to fulfill all the demands. They criticized their petitions, their agendas, and they are telling that it is minority group and they wanted to divert them. They wanted to divide and rule between Hindu and Muslims. At that time, Viceroy is Lord Dufferin. After criticism, official attitude towards early nationalists. Official attitude. At first they were in favor of early nationalists. First उन लोग का फेवर में थे, बाद में वो लोग चाहे कि इसमें हम लोग डिवाइड एंड रूल पॉलिसी खेलेंगे। जिस तरह इसको डिवाइड कर देने से वो लोग हम लोग का ऊपर अटैक नहीं करेंगे। They created another group and insist them to create anti-Congress group who are going against them. And they put divide and rule policy. They don't want unity among them because they thought that it is a great danger in future for them. Next is prominent early nationalist leader. They are Dadabhai Naoroji. Dadabhai Naoroji. He was born in Mumbai and he was a mathematics professor. Dadabhai Naoroji was known as Grand Old Man of India. He elected thrice as President of Indian National Congress. he was known as unofficial ambassador of India because from London he controlled over the mass revolution against Britishers in India. He influenced the people from England. He published drain theory in his paper Poverty and on British rule in India, and his magazine was Dharma Margdarshak, and he edited the newspaper Rashtragupta. He founded Bombay Association as well. These are the contributions of Dadabhai Naoroji. Next is Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. He belonged to Maharashtra. Gopal Krishna Gokhale was a professor of history and economics at Fergusson College in Pune. He was patriot, educationist, social reformer. He was a great personality and mentor of Mahatma Gandhi. He persuaded Gandhiji to return back from South Africa to India. He was called as mentor of Mahatma Gandhi, and Mahatma Gandhi accepted him as a mentor. Gopal Krishna Gokhale founded Servants of India Society in 1905. Then Surendranath Banerjee. Surendranath Banerjee. Surendranath Banerjee was dedicated educationist, journalist. He first qualified ICS exam, ICS Indian Civil Service Examination. He convened Indian National Conference in 1883. He opposed Vernacular Press Act, Arms Act, lowering the age limit from 21 to 19 in Indian Civil Service Examination. He opposed Morley Minto reforms and partition of Bengal. These things contained in chapter 3. Like, share and comment this video. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get earlier information. Thank you.